Okay, everybody. I was blocked by Jcattera, or whatever his username is, and I was blocked for asking questions, asking simple questions to something he's posting that he's only trying to scare people or profit from. And instead of blocking me, he took the time to block me, but he didn't take the time to answer a person who's asking deep, thoughtful, logical questions. Like, when you post your videos, Jay, and you put them up, and you use an infrared camera, how come the specs of that camera says it doesn't go beyond 300 yards? Is Nibiru 300 yards away from us? Is it that close? Secondly, when you use an infrared camera and then the next day you use a regular camera, how come you're able to use a regular camera? Some of your scientists state it's only seen in infrared, and other scientists only state it can be seen by the naked eye. So you're not answering that question there. What's the flip flop? How come you can see it with both? Robert S. Harrison, the NASA chief scientist who broke the story out in '83, and notice I'm being very kind with breaking story. He stated that he saw it with a 6-inch telescope, a regular 6-inch telescope. That's back in '83. He was in the southern hemisphere. He was in New Zealand at the observatory down there for NASA. So if he's seeing it down there with a regular telescope, how come you're using infrared? And then if that's the case, if he's seeing it with a regular telescope, how come there's other people online claiming they have video of it with infrared? Which one is it? How come there's so many different videos, and how come you're blocking me for asking these questions? Also, the constellations, and you're blaming all these things about the government owning and the NASA owning Google Earth, Sky, and all this constellation programs. Dude, pop out the maps. That's what all I ask. Show the star charts. These are simple questions that you can simply answer. Instead of blocking me, you can answer them. And so here I am. I'm going to make this, and I'm going to put this up, and let's see what you do. And from what I learned from the past is this: you will choose to ignore me because you do that to other people who actually asked questions, and you decided to you did that to them instead of answering their questions. So it's a pattern with you. If somebody comes at you with logic, you run. I'm eating dinner. I'm done with this video. Thank you for your time. Not answering me. Answer me, bastard. Step up and be a man instead of hiding like a little bitch. Answer the questions.